I want to talk with you today about well-being. So many of you are writing your New Year's resolutions and goals right about now, those of you who enjoy doing that, and I expect many of those goals will be health related. So this is a very appropriate time for an extremely important topic. So I want to begin with describing what well-being actually is and then move into how you acquire it. Now, you may have noticed this list in some of my content when you search me online, and I want to read it to you in case you haven't seen it. Imagine restoring pain-free movement. Imagine reestablishing a healthy posture, eliminating digestive disorders, reversing heart disease, becoming a former diabetic, beating cancer. Imagine losing weight and keeping it off, having functional strength for real life as you age, and keeping your independence. Imagine being well for your entire life. That's well-being. So some of you may be wondering, is this actually possible in my specific situation? Well, I'm going to share that I know how you feel. There have been times in my life that I felt all odds against me, yet I want to share with you what I found. I found that there's always an answer when you're seeking. It's a matter of finding it. If it's that rarest of instances when there doesn't appear to be any answer, there's always hope. Now, this is not about making statements like, I hope I can eat better this year, or I hope I can be more consistent with exercising this year. Hope is for situations that you have no control over, not issues that you are able to control, like what you put in your mouth, or scheduling your workout, or using that melt roller to effectively address that postural pain or whatever it is that you're dealing with. So the thing to do is seek out answers that show what you must do for ideal health and pain-free living. Notice I didn't say want to do, I said must do. You must nourish your body for ideal health, to reverse disease, to eliminate the need for meds, and to resolve chronic pain due to inflammation. You must move your body consistently to restore motion, strength, and function so the daily tasks of life are pain-free and you age strong. You must become an informed healthcare consumer so you can make wise decisions that work to restore your health, making choices that are mostly benefit and no potential risk. My whole existence is about sharing and presenting truths to you so you can make wise choices, not choices based on all the misconceptions and misinformation that is rampant in our high-tech world. Everyone claims to have the answer, but they can't all be right. Someone has to be wrong, and learning to tell the difference is key. If health is not restored, then whatever you're doing is missing the mark. If you're following a high-protein, low-carb, ketone-producing diet, it may help you lose weight, but it won't create health in your body. Crack cocaine and chemo will help you lose weight too, but I don't recommend those either. Your blood work may even look better from bad diets, but that's because of the weight loss, not because your body is healthier. Ideal health is built with healthy, complex starches, vegetables, whole food plant-based diet, right? Authentic human movement, and making more informed decisions. So make this the year that you follow your instincts and nourish your body. No excuses. Make this the year that you learn how to restore functional movement. No excuses. Make this the year that you take your life off hold and do what you must to have lifelong well-being. No excuses. Make this the year that you achieve ideal health and pain-free living to look and feel better than good.